cleaner. Who is it?
What's in there?
The cleaner. Not the cleaner.
What's in there, buddy?
Get out of here!
You want to get it out of there? What's in there?
Not the cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner?
Not cleaner. Not the cleaner.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay, I've done it. There you go.
Watermelon.
No.
Apples.
No.
How about we vacuum the floor, darling? Well, this house needs a good tidy up. Thank you for vacuuming. Here's some of your popcorn from last night. Will it vacuum it up, or will the dog do it? It really works. Vacuum the couch. Goes off and on. Do you want to take it off? You want to take it apart? We have to push a button. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. There we go. So we push a button here. Wow. You know how to turn it off and on. You're ever so clever. You want to have it on for movie night to vacuum up all your popcorn that you throw. You're putting it back together. It might be a bit tricky. You might need a big person to help you. You want me to help you?
I do.
You do.
I do.
Oh, sorry. You might need a big person to help. Shall I do it? Daddy do it. There, it's back together now. Is that cool?
Watch out.
Watch out, Poppy.
Watch out. Watch out.
Watch out, Poppy.
Watch out.
Man, our house is so grubby. It sure does need a new vacuum cleaner. I'm glad I've got you to do the job.
Watermelons.
Now you don't have to play with that vacuum cleaner every day. Oh, look at you go.